Namaste everyone, welcome to this channel er.pedia. This channel is all about providing a quality education to everyone. In this era, a bunch of people want to earn extra income. Here I am going to tell about how you can earn your second salary through Microsoft Excel. How you could enrich your Excel skills and earn 50 to 60 USD for a simple Excel project which can be completed in 10 to 15 minutes if you have known these amazing skills which I am going to teach you in this video. Recently, I earned 50 USD using these amazing tricks, and I feel it is my responsibility to share these skills with you so that you could also earn and fulfill your desires. I get the time to complete it on 2 to 3 days, but with this knowledge of skills, and I completed it in 10 to 15 minutes. I could not share this data because of client confidential, but I have created this sample data set same like that so that I could teach you that feature. Even you can also use it in your jobs to increase the efficiency or do freelancing and earn some extra incomes. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the video and learn that skills. This is the sample data set which I have created. Here, I have to unstack this data from one column to multiple columns. There are more than 3000 rows in this data set. You can see here. But in my real project, there are about 12,000 rows. Initially, you might see it difficulty, but using this method, you could complete the tasks in just 10 to 15 minutes. Here, we use replacement techniques to complete our tasks. It is one of the easiest and the fastest way that we can stack the data set. Here, everything is currently in one column, that is column A. And I want to split it to the 5 columns. The school name, address, postal, phone and email. This one is the school name, address, this one postal, phone number and email. First we have to create the headers. Here I will create the header. School names. Second one is address, postal, phone and last one is email. Make this one phone. Here give some background color to recognize the header part. Yes. Now we need the school names, this A2 in this part. So we just type here equals A2, then enter. And for this address, type here A3 and this one is A4. Type here equals A5 and last one is email. Type here A6. Now here I will use the replacement tricks. So instead of saying A2, I put some initials XX. And I will do same for all these cells. Now I do this same for 2 rows. So pull this down for the next cell and here this one is for the school name is on A8, type here 8 and here 9, this one is A10, this one is A11, A12. I have done this so that Excel could see a pattern when I pull this down. Now we need to pull this down of about 500 rows. Here my data is about 3024. When you divide 3024 by 6, then you get the value 504. So here I would like to insert one column here and here type 1. Here in the home tab, click on this field and click on the series. I want this series in column. Step value is 1 and stop value is 510 and click on this OK. Now select this all, then double click on this. You will get all your values here. Now the only thing remaining to complete our task is to replace the double X with equal signs. In order to do that, we have to select our tables. To select the whole table, first press Ctrl Shift and side arrow to select their columns, and to select the whole table, now press the Ctrl Shift and down arrow. It selects all the data, and if there is a gap in the data, then you have to type Ctrl Shift plus down arrow the multiple times till the end of the data. Now if I want to go to the first cells without disturbing the selection, then I have to type the Ctrl plus backspace. So it will take me to the beginning of the data from where the selection started. Now here you can type the Ctrl F, or either you can go to find and select and click on this replace. Here you have to type the capital double X and replace with equal sign. Now click on this replace all. You get all your values to be replaced. Here you can see that all the data has been replaced. In order to resize the column, just select this column C and press Ctrl Shift and right side arrow. It will select all our required headers, and double click on this. It will resize our columns. Now when you delete this cell, here all the data will get deleted. Now the question is how you could detach the columns from the formula. It is so simple. Now just copy this using the same method. Ctrl Shift right side arrow to select the column and Ctrl Shift down arrow to select the whole table. Now in order to go back, press Ctrl plus backspace. Now press Ctrl plus C in order to copy these values, and here right click and click on this, paste the values only. Here all the formula has been replaced by the values. You can see here. Now even if you delete this column A, there it won't affect our designed column. Delete these two columns here, and this is your final result of your project. This is how I did it, and on 50 USD just in 10 to 15 minutes. Now using this technique, you can send your final data to the client and earn good income. Even you can use these skills in your job and enhance your performance. I hope I have teach you this beautiful Excel tricks, and hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you like it to learn more about Excel, and if you want to become more advanced in Excel, subscribe this channel and help me to grow fast.